I am happy to see the levels these projects have reached, almost at completion level. And we will really thank as the people from Northern Kenya, and in particular Wajir County, His Excellency the President, for this development. And we will thank him for this opportunity. Roads are being constructed for purposes of this day, and this will benefit the people at the bottom of the pyramid, the business women, the entrepreneurs. The hotels here are filled to the brim. The locals are very excited because it is an opportunity for them to boost themselves economically.